Hello, and welcome to day 3 of the Nervous System Reset series. In this video, we're going to be going over a yoga routine that is going to guide you in resetting your nervous system. We're going to be combining what we learned on day 1 with the breath and day 2 with the eye movements. So come into your easy seat, nice long spine, relaxing the shoulders, just bringing your awareness to your breath. You can gently close your eyes if you want. Right now, we're just centering ourselves, being at ease. We're going to do 3 rounds of box breathing. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Centering yourself here. Now, gently open your eyes. What we're going to do is we're going to stretch the right side of our neck. So we're going to take our left hand. We're going to place it on the right side of our hand, and we're going to gently stretch our neck, extend our right arm. Now we're going to combine what we learned on day 2 with the cranial nerves, the vagus nerve. So looking over the top right, holding it here, connecting with the breath. Again, if you yawn, sigh, or gulp, it's stimulating the relaxation response in the autonomic nervous system. Good. Now release, come back to center. Center yourself here. Now take your right hand, place it on the left side of your head. Gently stretch. Extend your left arm and look over in the top left corner. Connecting with your breath here. Not forcing anything. Just bringing awareness to how you feel. Slow and steady breathing. Nothing erratic. Nice and gentle. And release. Good. Now, I'm going to want you to interlace both of your hands. You're going to press the palms forward. Round your shoulders, round your back a bit. Inhale, expand the rib cage. Just holding it here for a brief moment. Connecting with the breath. Good. Now inhale, bring both of your palms up to the sky, up to the ceiling, pressing up, relaxing the shoulders, and expanding your rib cage as if it is an umbrella opening up. Connecting with the breath, exhaling, good. Now we're going to bend over to the right. We're going to look up towards the left, and again, looking up with our eyes toward the left corner of the wall. Feeling a stretch in the left side body. Good. Coming back to center. Now coming over to the left, rotating your chest upward and looking over to the right corner of the room with your eyes, feeling a stretch in the right side body. Again, as you're inhaling, expanding the side of your rib cage. Nice and easy. You're not taking full deep breaths, you're just being nice and steady here. Good. Coming back to center. Bring your hands down to your knees. And from here, I want you to inhale both arms up, and we're gonna twist over to the right. So our left hand comes onto our right knee, our right hand is behind us, just looking over our shoulder. And again, looking up in the top right corner with our eyes. Just bringing awareness right now. We're not forcing the twist at all. Being at ease. Maybe you're feeling a stretch in the left shoulder. Good. Now inhale, both arms back up. Now we're gonna twist over to the left side. Right hand comes to the left knee. Our left hand comes behind us, and we're looking over our left shoulder, and then we're taking our eyes and looking up in the top left corner. We're using our breath to stimulate the parasympathetic response. That's the peaceful response of the nervous system. And when we could reduce our breaths to at least 6 breaths per minute, that's what will help send signals to our nervous system to relax it. So being at ease with your breathing. Good. Now you could release, bring both hands back up, and then bring them back down. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk our hands forward and just release our back, release our head, release our neck. Maybe you're feeling a stretch in your hips as well. We're just centering ourselves here. Letting gravity take over. Good. Now slowly walk your hands back up. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna interlace both your hands. Let me turn over so you can see. You're gonna do that behind you this time. So from your easy seat, interlace both your hands. Try to get your palms to touch and bring your shoulders back. Expand the rib cage as if an umbrella is opening up. Release and relax. Inhaling to the count of 4. Exhaling to the count of 4. Good. Now you can release and come back to your easy seat. From here, you can gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to how you're feeling right now. Asking your body to relax. Asking your body to let go. Asking your body to reset. Utilizing your breath and the movements as a way to reset how you feel. And also as an opportunity to bring awareness to how you feel. And whatever arises, can you be okay with that? Being at ease with whatever arises. It is completely fine with whatever it is you're feeling right now, because that's what you're feeling. Can I be okay with that? Good. Now coming back to the room, coming back to your body, gently open your eyes. So how do you feel? Just reflect. Just wonder. Just be curious. So thank you so much for joining me on day 3, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat on day 4. Bye.